nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up and
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be preparing dinner. It has been long since I made a cooking video, and today I'm going to be doing that for you and for us. Of course, it has been a tough day. It has been a tough day, and I decided to make a real nice dinner, and I was like, why not film it? So I'm going to be preparing chicken. I'm going to be preparing chicken and gizzards. I'm also going to be preparing rice, and yeah, that's all that is going to be our dinner. So in my rice, I included onion leaves. I also put oil, cooking oil. I put salt, and of course I put rosemary and a scent that taste was so late. In my chicken, I used milk as my water, and trust me, you're going to enjoy this. Try this recipe and you never regret it. So let's get into the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
So our chicken has been boiling for like 10 minutes. After you're going to fry it, and you make sure it turns brown, just like you can see. You give it a few minutes, and then after you add in your ingredients, I'm going to be putting the onions. As you can see, I'm going to put in everything that I want to put in, and then I'm going to cover it for like 5 minutes. Actually I put the ingredients and then I put in the salt, and then I cover it for like 5 minutes, and then by the time I open it again, my ingredients will be ready and I proceed.
Me wind and rain. appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you get me out there fine. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Whoosh, guys, this is how it looks like. Bananke. I can't. I was cooking this and my brother was like, "Guy, just bring the food we eat." But it was really nice. You can try this recipe. You can really try it. Actually, I'm a good chef. I don't know why I've not been doing these videos. Of course, I was doing them, but I stopped because, guys, I'm handling a lot. But anyway, I hope you like it. I wanted to take milk, but I think I'm not going to take it now. By now our rice is ready, and that's how it looks like. But it smells so good, like it smells so good. And that is it, guys. That is our food, and that is our video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to try this recipe at your home. Love you guys. Bye.